Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The LG 50-inch UA77 series represents a significant step in the 2025 lineup of 4K ultra-high-definition televisions aiming to provide a comprehensive home entertainment solution right out of the box. This specific package is not just the television itself but a curated bundle designed to streamline the setup process and add long-term value through additional hardware and service protections. At its core, the television is a modern smart display that utilizes artificial intelligence to manage both picture and sound quality. By packaging the screen with a 6-foot high-speed HDMI cable, a movie streaming credit, and an extended protection plan, the manufacturer is positioning this as a complete solution for those who want to avoid the need for separate accessory shopping. The television sits in a competitive space where high resolution and smart functionality are standard, but the UA77 tries to differentiate itself by integrating the latest WebOS platform and a processing engine that is specifically tuned for the 2025 model year. When looking at the physical build and design of the UA77 series, it is clear that the focus is on a minimalist aesthetic that allows the screen to remain the center of attention. The 50-inch display size is a versatile choice that fits well in a variety of environments, from smaller living rooms to spacious bedrooms or home offices. The bezels surrounding the screen are remarkably thin, which helps create a more immersive viewing experience by reducing the visual border between the content and the room. The chassis is slim enough to be wall-mounted without protruding excessively, yet it includes a sturdy stand system for those who prefer to place it on a media console. The inclusion of a 6-foot HDMI cable in this bundle is a practical touch because it ensures that external devices like gaming consoles or Blu-ray players can be connected immediately with a cable that is long enough to reach through furniture routing holes. The build quality feels consistent with a modern electronics piece featuring a clean back panel where ports are logically grouped for easier access. Performance is where this television truly defines its value proposition. Under the hood, the UA77 utilizes an artificial intelligence-powered processor that is tasked with two primary jobs, which are upscaling and scene optimization. Since much of the content available today is still produced in high definition rather than native 4K, the internal processor works in real time to analyze individual frames and sharpen details to make them appear closer to ultra-high definition quality. This matters because it ensures that older movies or standard broadcast television looks crisp on a large high-resolution panel. Furthermore, the 2025 version of WebOS provides a fluid and responsive interface for navigating streaming applications. The system is designed to learn viewing habits and suggest content across different platforms, which simplifies the process of finding something to watch. The inclusion of a Premiere Movies streaming credit within the bundle allows for immediate exploration of high-quality content, taking full advantage of the screen resolution. On the audio side, the artificial intelligence also plays a role by processing standard stereo sound into a more expansive virtual surround sound experience, which adds depth to dialogue and background effects without necessarily requiring an external soundbar right away. The utility of this bundle is best suited for individuals who are either upgrading from an older high-definition set or setting up a secondary entertainment space and want a hassle-free experience. Because it includes a 26-month protection pack from Deco Gear, it is an excellent choice for those who prioritize peace of mind and want to ensure their investment is covered well beyond the standard manufacturer warranty. This makes it particularly appealing for households with high usage or for those who plan to keep the television for several years. The 50-inch size is often considered the sweet spot for many consumers, as it is large enough to feel like a cinematic upgrade but not so large that it overwhelms a standard-sized room. It is a practical option for a dedicated gaming corner, a dorm room, or a primary bedroom where a larger 65 or 75-inch model might be physically impractical. The bundle format also serves those who appreciate the convenience of receiving all necessary setup components at once rather than having to research compatible cables or protection plans separately. The technology inside the television also supports various high dynamic range formats, which is essential for modern gaming and cinematic viewing. High dynamic range allows the screen to display a wider range of brightness and color, providing more detail in the darkest shadows and the brightest highlights of a scene. While this is an LED-based display rather than an OLED, it uses sophisticated dimming algorithms to manage light output and maintain contrast levels. For the casual viewer, this means a picture that looks vibrant and lifelike across different types of media. The inclusion of the HDMI cable ensures that the digital signal from external devices remains stable and high bandwidth, supporting the full capabilities of the 4K panel. This is a crucial detail because using an older or lower quality cable can often lead to signal drops or a lower resolution output, which would negate the benefits of a 2025 model television. Considering the broader market, the price of this bundle, which sits at approximately $494 at the time of writing, makes it an accessible entry point into the 2025 LG ecosystem. It occupies a middle ground where it offers significantly better processing and smart features than budget-tier brands while remaining more affordable than the flagship organic light-emitting diode models. The value is further bolstered by the added components, which would typically add a significant amount to the total cost if purchased individually. The movie streaming credits act as an immediate utility for the smart interface, while the extended protection plan addresses the long-term reliability concerns that some might have with modern electronics. It is a balanced package that focuses on providing a high-quality daily viewing experience through reliable hardware and updated software. The WebOS platform itself has seen refinements for the 2025 model year, focusing on speed and customization. The home screen acts as a central hub for all connected devices and streaming services, making it easy to switch between a gaming console and a streaming app. The artificial intelligence features extend to voice recognition as well, allowing for hands-free searching or control over smart home devices that are compatible with the LG ecosystem. This integration makes the television more than just a display but rather a command center for a modern digital home. The processing power ensures that these smart features do not lag, which is often a pain point in entry-level smart televisions. By providing a smooth user experience, the UA77 ensures that the focus remains on the content rather than the frustrations of navigating a slow menu system. In a balanced assessment, it is important to recognize that while this television offers a robust feature set as an LED model, it will not have the perfect black levels found in more expensive display technologies. However, for most viewing environments where there is some ambient light, the brightness and color accuracy provided by the UA77 are more than sufficient. The bundle effectively rounds out the purchase by addressing the three most common needs after buying a new TV, which are connectivity, content, and protection. It provides a straightforward path to high-definition entertainment without the complexity of building a system component by component. For anyone looking for a modern 4K experience that is backed by modern artificial intelligence and a comprehensive support package, this combination provides a reliable and feature-rich foundation for home media consumption. It represents a practical marriage of current display technology and thoughtful accessory inclusion, making it a noteworthy contender in the current television market. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.